In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 budget to best Ninja inventions that are changing the way we cook in 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 budget to best Ninja inventions in 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, Ninja BlendBoss Personal Blender DB351CY Smoothie and Frozen Drink Blender with Auto IQ Technology, 26-ounce travel tumbler, leak-proof lid, chug spout and detachable straw, cyberspace, powerful personal blender easily blends smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and more with efficient high-performance blending. Auto IQ Technology intelligent preset blending programs deliver consistent results with the touch of a button. 26-ounce travel tumbler included. Blend directly into the portable cup. Then take your drink on the go with the leak-proof lid. Leak-proof lid with chug spout and detachable straw designed for convenient, mess-free drinking whether at home. Number 2, Ninja Ceramic Pro 10-piece Cookware Set CW39010mm Non-stick ceramic pots and pans with glass lids, PTFE-free, oven-safe, induction-compatible. Midnight Blue Point 10-piece complete cookware set includes essential pots, pans, and glass lids for everyday cooking, sautéing, frying, boiling, and simmering. Premium ceramic non-stick coating food releases easily with less oil, making cooking and cleanup quick and effortless. PTFE-free and non-toxic construction ceramic coated cooking surface designed for everyday cooking without PTFE, stovetop and oven safe, compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, and oven safe for versatile cooking. Tempered glass lids clear. Durable lids allow you to monitor food while helping retain heat and moisture. Elegant midnight blue finish, modern, durable design that adds style and performance to. Number 3, Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer AS101 LG 1800W Air Fryer with 6 QD and 2.5 QD glass containers, PFAS free. 450 degrees Fahrenheit max temperature, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Bone. 6-in-1 versatile cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, crisp, and keep warm with one compact appliance. Includes 6 QD and 2.5 QD glass containers. Cook family-sized meals or individual portions using durable, non-toxic glass containers with matching lids. PFAS-free glass cooking system. Cook with confidence using non-toxic glass containers designed for healthier everyday cooking. Powerful 1800W performance reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for fast cooking, crispy results, and even heat distribution. Microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe glass containers transition easily from cooking to storing, reheating, and effortless cleaning. Number 4, Ninja FrostVault 65 QD Cooler FB265BL Insulated ice chest with temp dry storage drawer, long ice retention, heavy-duty portable cooler for camping, beach, fishing and picnics. Lakeshore Blue Point 65 quart large capacity spacious interior holds plenty of food, drinks, and ice for family trips, camping, tailgating, and outdoor adventures. FrostVault temp dry storage drawer innovative drawer keeps snacks, sandwiches, and essentials cool, dry, and easily accessible without opening the main cooler. Long-lasting ice retention premium insulation helps keep ice frozen and beverages cold for multiple days under typical outdoor conditions. Heavy-duty durable construction built to withstand camping, beach outings, fishing trips, tailgating, road trips, and other rugged outdoor activities. Easy transport design. Sturdy side handles provide a comfortable grip for lifting and carrying, even when fully loaded. Stylish Lakeshore Blue finish, modern, durable design with a vibrant color that's perfect for outdoor adventures. The Ninja FrostVault 65 QD Cooler FB265BL is engineered to keep your food and drinks cold for extended outdoor adventures. With a generous 65 quart capacity, it offers ample room for beverages, ice, and meal essentials, making it an excellent companion for camping, beach trips, fishing, tailgating, picnics, and weekend getaways. Premium insulation provides long-lasting ice retention, helping keep contents cold for days under normal use. A standout feature is the innovative FrostVault temp dry storage drawer. which allows you to store frequently used items like snacks, fruit, or sandwiches in a cool, dry compartment separate from the ice. This minimizes heat loss by reducing the need to open the main cooler compartment repeatedly. Built with rugged durability and finished in an attractive lakeshore blue, the Ninja FrostVault cooler combines smart storage, dependable cooling performance, and Number 5 Ninja DCT 45112-in-1 Smart Double Oven with Flex Door, Smart Thermometer, Flavor Seal Technology, Smart Finish, Rapid Convection, and Air Fry. Stainless Steel .12-in-1 Smart Cooking Functions Air Fry, Bake, Roast, Broil, Toast, Reheat, Pizza, Dehydrate, Keep Warm, Convection, and more in one versatile countertop oven. Innovative Flex Door design. Access the top oven independently or open the full door to use both cooking chambers with ease. Dual oven cooking system. Prepare 2 different meals simultaneously with separate cooking zones and independent temperature controls. Smart Finish and Flavor Seal Technology sync cooking times so both dishes finish together while helping minimize flavor transfer between the upper and lower ovens. Integrated Smart Thermometer. Monitor internal food temperatures for accurate, perfectly cooked meat, poultry, and seafood without guesswork. Rapid Top Convection and Bottom Air Fry. Powerful convection cooking on top combined with dedicated air fry performance. Below for faster, crispier results. The Ninja DCT 45112-in-1 Smart Double Oven is a premium countertop cooking solution designed to maximize versatility, speed, and convenience. Its innovative Flex Door design allows quick access to the upper oven for smaller meals or opens fully to utilize both cooking chambers.